This whole semester we worked with Heritage and the owners. You're creating a business plan with your teammates in class, you're in a group.
It felt very real, it felt very large, and it felt very different from just regular schoolwork.
To extend beyond the textbook and give the students a real-world experience, my entrepreneurship students worked on the business side, and the design team students worked on the design side.
I always like getting to help people realize their creative vision. That feeling of getting to see something, that idea in your head realized like that. And being able to do it here at Johnson & Wales with a real client.
The client met with the students, explained the problem that they were experiencing, and we divided the students into groups in order for them to meet together, talk about the problem, and come up with recommendations and solutions for the client.
It's great to see students at JWU from completely different areas of study get together and work as a team.
Many of the recommendations that the students are putting in place are now going to be followed through by the client.
It's very real-world experience, and it's just absolutely amazing what they offer here at JWU.